What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So one of my hottest videos, trending videos on YouTube is how to factory reset a PC with over 1 million views. And the people ask a lot of questions in that video. And one of the biggest questions that I get in that video is frustrating to me because I know it happens all the time. That they bought their PC to Clown's computer shop, right? And when they bought their PC there, they gave me a PC back. It was working. But over the course of time, they get an error message saying that they don't have an authentic copy of Windows on their PC. These clown computer companies like to put hack versions of Windows on people's PCs and charge them for it. But over the course of time, you'll see something that this is not an authentic copy of Windows and your PC no longer working, you get a black screen. Well, a lot of people ask the question, the easy, how could I fix this? Is there any way I can fix this? The answer to the question is yes. So in this video, which I've made a lot of videos similar to what I'm about to talk to you about, but in this video, I'm going to show you a real easy way to download the authentic copy, the original copy that came with your PC, the PC that you purchased out of the store, back to factory reset. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So listen, you got the screen of death. It's all black. You're getting all kinds of errors telling you you do not have an authentic copy of Windows. It's a troubling thing. Somebody then put a hack version of Windows, and after a year or so, the key code have ran out and you don't know what else to do. All right, you can do this two ways. All right, it's two kinds of downloads you could do. You can go to the manufacturer's website that you bought the PC on and maybe Google it or something like that and try to get the original copy for that PC on the manufacturer's website. All right, or you can go to www.microsoft.com/software downloads to get a Microsoft copy of Windows 7, 8, 9, or 10, right? I'm sorry, 7, 8, and 10. All right, now, but on this video, I'm going to focus on Microsoft. I'm just going to focus on Microsoft because it has so many different brands of PCs out there. I can't go through all of them. So the next thing you got to do is that if your PC is just crapped out and you cannot download anything from any website, you have to find a secondary PC or a friend's PC or something like that. Listen, in 2019 or 2018 or whatever, a lot of PCs now doesn't have CD-ROMs. I'm recommending thumb drives, like maybe a 4 to 6 gig thumb drive that you could pick up at Walmart for under 20 bucks. And you have to have a secondary PC to do this. Once you go into the Microsoft website, right? You go on the Microsoft website that I just told you, www.microsoft.com/software download. You're going to come up with a screen of Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7 in earlier versions, right? Now, you got to pick which operating system that you had on your PC in the beginning, right? All right. So another thing that you have to understand that once you click on this, say Windows 7 on the website, all right, so it's going to say download Windows 7 disk image ISO file. Don't get scared about all this stuff because listen, you can't go wrong. I got plenty of videos on my YouTube channel to help. All right, so right here, you have to make sure that your original PC, the original PC you have to have the product code. You have to have the product key, right? That's located on the back of the PC or underneath your original PC. It's a label or sticker or something that's on the PC itself, or maybe in the box if you still have the box. That's okay. All right, so if you follow the directions right here, locate your product key, make sure you got a solid internet connection, and they say use a blank USB DVD and stuff like that, right? All right, and they're going to ask you for system requirements and stuff like that. All right, next, you want to just follow the steps. Now, once you're on this website and you want to download whatever operating system that you want to download that's for your PC, you have to enter that product key in the section right on the website. Right on the website, you have to enter that product key. All right. Now, again, you must be on a secondary PC or a friend's PC or something like that to get this done. All right. So once you do that, you put the product key in, you're going to do the download. Now, based on your internet connection, the download might take some time. So once you download this, you want to download this to the external thumb drive. You don't want to download it to your friend's PC or something like that. If it asks download to, you want to select the thumb drive, the location that you want to download this operating system. All right. So it's going to take some time based off of internet connection because it's a huge file. All right. So the download is done. You extract the thumb drive and you go to your original PC. Turn off the PC. All right. Take the thumb drive and you put it in the slot. Now, this is where I get a little complicated because a lot of people ask this question that they can't get into this and they can't get into that. A lot of PC manufacturers do things a lot differently. All right. You may have to Google this. But when you turn on your PC, 9 times out of 10, you might have to hit escape F1, F2, F12, something like that to get in what's called BIOS. All right, that's important at this point. So listen, I am going to put on the screen some of the major manufacturers like HP and Lenovo. I'm going to put this here, some of the things that can help you get into the BIOS, because this is important. Because when you boot up your PC, it's booting up from the hard drive and it's going to try to start Windows on its own. But you need to try to factory reset your PC from a thumb drive. This is the point of the whole matter here. You want to try to factory reset your computer from the thumb drive. So by pressing escape, when you see the logo on your PC booting up, you press it escape and you press it F1, F2 or whatever to try to get into BIOS. Right? Once you get into the BIOS screen, you want to change the boot sequence. All right. Now you want the computer to boot to thumb drive first. So that needs to be at the top. All right. Because again, once you finish all of this stuff here, we can go back into the BIOS and you can return it back to the original sequence. But in the boot sequence, you need to get thumb drive as being a first priority, or USB. It's going to be USB as first priority. All right. So we want to boot from the thumb drive, which is going to be USB. All right. Now, once you do that and you click save and apply or OK or whatever, then the computer is going to boot from the thumb drive. Once it boots from the thumb drive, then it's going to go through the factory reset process. Once it goes through the factory reset process, listen, I have another video. If you already watched the video that I already got posted here, you can rewatch that video and it's going to give you step by step on how to factory reset your PC. Listen, I know it's difficult sometimes, and I know some people still rocking, Windows 7 PCs, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, even with Windows 10, and they got frustrated and they bought their PC to somebody that claimed that they can fix their PC for a very cheap price. Listen, I got many videos on this YouTube channel to help, and I hope that this video answered most of you guys' questions. All right, this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. And listen, I'm gonna leave all the links to how to factory reset a PC. Once you get to the point of factory resetting your PC, just go ahead and watch the video that I already have. I got many of them, about 3, 4, or 5 of them on how to factory reset a PC. So it makes no sense for me to go through that process again. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. Peace. This process took me about an hour. All right. So everything that was on this PC is completely done. Nice wallpaper by HP, by the way. So now the client has a brand new PC. Basically saved them hundreds of dollars. I don't know how much they paid for the PC, but for my services, it's about half the cost of the PC. So it's real simple, guys. You can do this at your own risk. And that's it, guys. So we are good. Everything is working properly. So the client now has a brand new PC and they can do whatever they want with it.